what was your first impression the moment you stepped on this particular place?
So it reminded me of like California hills. Ghana is not for everybody. Like America's not for everybody. There's Ghanaians who move to America and they come back here because I came, I saw, I fell in love. As soon as I touched the ground at the airport, and the rest is history.
So for people who are looking forward to come to Ghana, they've been thinking about this for over 20 years, yet certain what to really do. What do you have to say to that?
I say
hello and welcome to Aburi. Right here in the heart of Aburi is an African American who is building very beautiful homes. What started for him as a personal vision to build his beautiful house has moved into a grander vision, but amidst the ambition, he has had his own set of challenges. But he has got a story to tell, one that will captivate and inspire you. There's a lot more to learn from this interview. You don't want to miss a thing. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia Fosua. Come with me. Let's find out more. Hello, Dre.
hello.